All right, in this video, we're going to talk about plans for Creative Cloud. So let's go over to adobe.com, which I already have up here on the screen. I'm going to click on Creativity and Design. We're going to click on View, Plans, and Pricing. And we're going to focus on, in this video, on the pricing for these 4 tabs at the top. So you have individuals, you have business, students and teachers, and schools and universities. So the first one we're going to talk about is individuals, okay? And so you'll notice if I click here, I have add a 30-day free trial of Adobe Stock. So if you want to do that, you can click on that. If not, I'm going to click on Buy Now just to see what the options are, okay? So there's 3 options for the individuals plan. You have a monthly plan, which you can cancel at any time. And this is one I recommend for the individuals plan because it allows you to cancel with no fees, okay? Now, if you do the annual paid monthly, $54 a month, really $55 a month, if you cancel before the 14 days, you do not incur a fee, but after that, there's a fee, okay? And if you're just trying this out, I say pay 30 bucks more and have the ability to be able to cancel with no fees, okay? Then you have the annual prepaid, which is just under 600 bucks, $599.88, and you can get no refund if you cancel after 14 days. So remember, if you do this plan and then you're like, oh, I need to cancel, then you only have 14 days to cancel. So the one I recommend is this one. You can choose whichever one you want. And here are some of the features that you get with this plan and really with all of them, but they vary a little bit, okay? So you get 100 gigs of cloud storage, tutorials, Adobe Express, Adobe Portfolio, fonts, Behance, and Creative Cloud libraries, access to the latest features, and then other recommendations as well, okay? So I'm gonna close that out. That's the individuals plan. Then we have the business plan. So with this one, you have Creative Cloud, all apps, $59.99, okay, per license. So remember that if you have 10 employees, it's $59.99 per month or 60 bucks a month per license. It's not just, oh, buy it one time and give it to everybody. You got to buy the licenses for each person, okay? And so then you have single app. So $36 per license per month, okay, your choice of one app. And then they have the Substance 3D collection, which is $100 per license per month, okay? So you can get as many licenses as you want, okay? Now, the cool thing about the business features compared to the individual is they have a centralized administrative tool, okay, where you can deploy apps and manage products and users from a handy web-based admin console. Now, the thing I can tell you about that specifically is when you have a centralized administrative panel, it's easier to manage your employees when it comes to giving them access to applications, okay? And so I recommend this one if you're a business owner of 10 or more employees, even I would say 5 to unlimited, not unlimited, but 5 to 10,000. The business plan is better. The individual plan is really for sole proprietors like what I am. I'm a sole proprietor. And so I don't really need the business plan because I don't have any employees. I don't have any freelancers that I'm working with or anything like that. It's just me right now. But in the future, I would transition over to the business plan because it gives you more flexibility. Okay. You get technical support, you get Creative Cloud libraries, you get storage, you get 1 gig of cloud storage per user. That is huge because, believe me, the files pile up quickly, especially when you're creating a lot of content. I've experienced this myself. I have about 10 terabytes of video with all the courses that I've made and whatnot. And this is a huge thing. Now, I don't recommend using their cloud storage for video. I recommend using it for Photoshop, Illustrator, files, InDesign, everything but video. Use their cloud storage for. For video, you need more storage depending on what the volume is that you're doing, okay? Now, if it's a controllable volume, then yeah, you can integrate that in some degree, but it's better to have a separate area for your video. Okay. Then we have students and teachers. So with this one, it's $20 a month. And if I click buy now, I don't know how many options they have. Yeah, they don't have much. You get billed monthly, but it's an annual plan, which means you're locked in for 1 year. Or you can pay up front, which is $239.88. Full refund if you cancel before August 8th, which is 14 days, give or take. Okay. I believe that's 14 days. Let me just double check that. I'll look at a calendar here real quick just so I give you the correct information because, let's see. Yep. 14 days. Okay. So if you cancel, or if you get this membership and you need to cancel, you can cancel within 14 days. Okay. You get the same features. You get the 20 plus desktop apps, mobile apps, and web services, and for less than a standard single app subscription. So what they're saying is, if you were to go to the individual plan and pay $20 a month per app, you could get the education plan for $20 a month, which is a way better deal. Okay. And then here's what's included. So you can see the mobile apps, and then all plans include Behance, Creative Cloud Community, Adobe Fonts, Creative Cloud Library, Assets, and Market. Okay, among other things as well. Okay, so I'm going to go back, and the last plan that we want to talk about and pricing is schools and universities. So with this, if you're running a school or a university, or you're the director of IT as an example, and you need licenses for your computer labs or whatever you're doing, per named user license, okay, is $34 for all the apps per user. Now that is a great deal, okay, because you get 100 gigs of cloud storage per license. So every user gets 100 gigs of storage. Okay, that's huge. That's awesome. Per shared device, okay, for classrooms and labs, $330 per device, okay. You have to call a number to set that up. Per student pack, Creative Cloud All Apps, $142 a year per user. 100 gigs of cloud storage per license. Okay, institutional control licenses can be reassigned to new students or courses. So you need to request a consultation with Adobe to, get information on this. This is for a department of 100 students or more. And then institution-wide license for broad access for students and faculty. Okay, Creative Cloud All Apps, for pricing you have to call the number here. 100 gigs of cloud storage per license for easy file sharing. Deeper discounts on all purchases plus consolidated annual billing. So you can request a consultation there as well. So those are all the plans. And again, I'll reiterate, you have the individuals plan, okay, which again, this is for sole proprietors and for individuals that want to use Creative Cloud. Okay, business, a sole proprietor could use this, and then you could build into more employees and that kind of thing. Which I've actually considered looking at this because I just like the idea of having a terabyte of storage with the license that I'm paying for. And if I click on Save Now, which, let's see, is this per... Yeah, so what they do is you have to sign up for a year. And right now they have a deal. So it's $60 a month instead of 85. So that's, and I think I already have a membership, so it's probably offering me that deal. I'm not exactly sure. So yours may be a little bit different is all I'm trying to say. But either way, $60 per month is not bad, okay? And you're locked in for 1 year. But what I like about this, because I have the individual plan right now, and what I like about this over the individual plan is it comes with the 1 terabyte of cloud storage. So with this one, I believe it comes with 100 gigs, but you can upgrade to, let me just double check. Yes, it comes with 100 gigs of cloud storage. You can upgrade to a terabyte, but I paid up front, so I don't want to pay anymore, So those are the plans and pricings for Creative Cloud. Okay? So there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.